Welcome back. In this video, we'll learn about the values folder in Android Studio. Values folder contains XML files that define various types of resources that your app uses to provide different aspects of its user interface and behavior. These resources are organized into the values folder to centralize configuration settings, localization, and styling information. Let's break down of what you can find in the values folder and how it's used. First of all, let's start with the colors.xml. This file contains color values that are used throughout your app. Defining colors in a centralized location ensures consistent color schemes and easy theme customization. For example, to define a new color here, we start with the color tag. I'll specify the name of blue_sky, and here I'll close with the closing tag of the color. And here I need to specify the value of this color. And the value of this color should be in the hex code. There are a lot of websites that can provide you with the color pickers and give you the code for the hex. For example, if I need to get the blue color like this, I can copy this hex code and paste it here, its value. You can see it's applied and you can see its thumbnail. Also, you can double click on this thumbnail and you can edit it from the Android Studio color picker. Okay, you can see that the hex code is changed. Let's go to the layout and I'll define a new text view. And here I need to specify the color attribute. Color equal. I'll start with the color at color slash, and I need to specify this color, the blue_sky. Its name, I need to specify it here, blue_sky. And you can see that the color is applied to this text. Infer the constraints and move it to here. And you can see that this text view is applying the blue sky color to this text view as an attribute. The strings.xml file stores strings used in your app's user interface. It's a common practice to store all text content visible to the user in this file, allowing for easy localization and consistent management of strings. To define a new string, we start with the string tag. I'll specify it as text number 1, and here I'll give it its value by the closing tag and this hello my friends. If I move back to the main activity layout, I can hover here at the text attribute. This message telling us that hard-coded string welcome to our app should use @string resource. So I don't need to use like this. I don't need to specify the text value here in the text attribute directly with the hard-coded string. I need to use string resources. So I'll use @string/text1. Click enter and you can see that it's fetching the data, fetching the string from the strings.xml file. So it's specifying this name here, and you can see it's fetching its value from the resources strings. Let's move to the themes folder. You can see the theme folder contains two files, themes.xml and themes.xml for the night mode. This file is used to define themes for your app. Themes define the overall visual style of your app, including colors, typography, and more. For example, to define a new item for this theme, and a theme in Android Studio involves defining a set of visual attributes that determine the overall look and feel of your app's user interface. For example, if I need to define the text colors in this application, you can use text color attribute. You can use height, radius, color, and all of these attributes. You can define them here in this item. For example, if I need to use the primary color, which is for the main color for this app, I can use like this and @color_, blue sky that we defined in the colors.xml file. Run the application and you can see that the new theme is applied to this application. This is the status bar is a part of the application applying primary color to it.